Hello, I want to show you this land property. It's two plots together, fenced and gated. But let's first see how the environment looks like. Then we come back to take a view at this particular property, okay? Alright. As you can see, this area is a built-up environment with student hostels and residential building for tenants. So let me show you exactly where this land property starts and where it ends, okay? Alright, it starts at that particular point you saw the cap fence, then it keeps going. This is the gate. We may not have access to the inside because of how bushy it looks like, okay? And we may not be able to view the other fence that demarcates this property with the commercial building at the right, okay? But I'll take you the other round. So as you can see, this property is fully sized 2 plots of land, fenced and gated, well shaped, and it has a very good road network. It's located at Umuoforcha community in the heart of Nekede town. So if you're coming to this area from Nwadike junction, you will drive and divert left at assemblies junction by 11:45 suit, and you are here, okay? 11:45 suit is a well-known suit here in Nekede, and it's about 2 poles from here, okay? This is where the fence ends at the back approach of this property, and it connects from here straight to the front view where the cap fence started. So this property can contain comfortably 2 student hostels with enough space, or residential building for tenants with enough parking space. It has been fenced. All you need to do is a little reinforcement at the fence if there is a need for that. This property comes with power of attorney and survey plan, and is selling for 24 million naira for the 2 plots together. That is 12 million naira per plot. But it cannot be sold differently. If you're buying, you will buy the 2 plots together, okay? The truth is this: more hostels are needed. There is no number of hostels you build here in Nekede that will be enough for the students that have been admitted at Federal Polytechnic Nekede, every section. So call us now on 080 60 766 340 for more inquiries, for free site inspection, and to secure this property, okay? As we're going now, I will show you the access road that connects this property to the major poly road. I'm Justin Nwadike, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Owerri, Imo State. So if you like watching property deals like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so unless we upload episode like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? All right. have come to the end of today's site inspection. I hope you enjoyed the trip, right? Like I said before, the demand for students' hostel is more than supply. That's to say, the available students' hostel is not enough for students, okay? You know, one thing with hostel business is that every section, students are coming in, new ones are coming in. As the old ones are graduating, the new ones are coming in, okay? As you can see, that area is a built-up environment. There are hostels around there, but they are still not enough for students. So if I've been longing to buy a land property or invest in a hostel business, this is a very good and strategic location for that. Before we come up with any land property, we must have made all the necessary inquiries, you know, to know the trace of ownership, to know if it is free from government or if it's government allocation property, okay? If you have been longing to invest in a hostel business, a land property where you can build a hostel around Federal Polytechnic Nekede, call us now on 08060-766-340 for more inquiries, for free site inspection. Alright, I will see you again. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.